Hi, Alex. How are you?
Hi, Maria. I am okay, thanks. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. You seem worried. What's wrong?
I need to talk to you about something important. My parents are against me marrying you.
Oh, I see. That's very upsetting. Can you tell me why?
They think we are too young and not ready for marriage. Do you understand their concern?
Yes, I understand, but it still hurts. What do you think?
I love you and want to be with you, but I respect my parents. It's difficult for me.
I know. It's a hard situation. Do you want to wait for a while?
Yes, maybe we should wait and show them we are serious. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree. We can take our time and prove our love. Do you think they will change their minds?
I hope so. They just need to see how happy we are together. What can we do to show them?
We can be patient and spend time with them. Let them see our commitment. Do you think that will help?
Yes, I think it will. We can show them we are responsible and caring. Do you want to meet them more often?
Yes, I would like that. It might help them understand us better. What do you think?
I think it's a good idea. We can invite them for dinner or outings. Do you have any other ideas?
Maybe we can talk to them together and share our plans for the future. It might help.
Yes, talking openly can make a big difference. Thank you for understanding, Maria.
You're welcome, Alex. I love you and want to make this work. Let's stay strong together.
Yes, we will get through this. I have to go now. See you later, Maria.
See you, Alex. Have a great day.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Tom. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. I have something important to ask you.
Sure, what is it?
Sarah, I really love you. Will you marry me?
Oh, Tom. I care about you, but I have to say no.
I understand. Can you tell me why?
I don't feel ready for marriage right now. I need more time.
That's okay. I appreciate your honesty. Do you still want to be friends?
Yes, of course. I value our friendship very much. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. I want you to be happy. What should we do now?
Let's just enjoy the day and talk. Do you want to go for a walk?
Yes, a walk sounds nice. It's a beautiful day. Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I like to come here and relax. It's very peaceful. Do you come here often?
Yes, I like this park too. It's a good place to think. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and paint. It helps me relax. What about you?
I like to play soccer and watch movies. It's fun and relaxing. Do you have any favorite books?
Yes, I love reading mysteries. They are very exciting. Do you have any favorite movies?
Yes, I like action movies. They are very thrilling. Should we get some coffee after our walk?
Yes, that sounds good. There's a nice cafe nearby. Do you know it?
Yes, I know it. They have great coffee. Let's go there.
Okay. Let's enjoy our walk first. Thank you for understanding, Tom.
You're welcome, Sarah. I appreciate your honesty. Let's go.
Let's go. See you at the cafe.
See you, Sarah.
Hi, John. How are you?
Hi, Emily. I am not feeling very well. I need to talk to you.
What's wrong, John? You look serious.
Forgive me, Emily. I am forced to leave you. Forget about me. Our paths are different.
What do you mean, John? Why do you have to leave?
I have to move away for work and family reasons. I don't want to hurt you, but it's best for both of us.
This is so sudden. I don't know what to say.
I know it's hard. Find your own happiness. You deserve the best.
I can't believe this is happening. I care about you so much.
I care about you too, Emily. That's why I want you to be happy, even without me.
This is very painful, but I understand. I hope you find happiness too.
Thank you, Emily. I wish you all the best. Please remember the good times we had.
I will always remember. Take care, John.
You too, Emily. Goodbye.
Goodbye, John. Hi, Tom. How are you?
Hi, Lisa. I need to talk to you about something important.
Sure, what is it?
I love someone else, not you. You need to forget me.
Oh, that hurts to hear. How long have you felt this way?
I've felt this way for a while. I didn't want to hurt you.
I understand, but it's still painful. Who is she?
Her name is Anna. We met at work. I'm sorry, Lisa.
It's okay. I appreciate your honesty. What should I do now?
Please try to move on and find your own happiness. You deserve someone who loves you.
Yes, you're right. It will take time, but I will try. Do you think we can still be friends?
Maybe in the future, but for now, it might be best if we take some time apart.
I understand. I hope things work out for you and Anna.
Thank you, Lisa. I hope you find happiness too.
Goodbye, Tom. Take care.
Goodbye, Lisa. Take care.
Hi, Jack. How are you?
Hi, Emily. I need to talk to you about something important.
Sure. What is it?
I have never loved you. I can't love you either. Is that enough? What else do you want me to say?
Oh, that hurts to hear. Why are you telling me this now?
I don't want to lead you on. I want to be honest with you.
I understand, but it's very painful. How long have you felt this way?
I've always felt this way. I'm sorry for any pain I've caused.
It's hard to accept, but I appreciate your honesty. What should I do now?
Try to move on and find someone who loves you. You deserve to be happy.
Yes, you're right. It will take time, but I will try. Can we still be friends?
Maybe in the future, but for now, it might be best if we take some time apart.
I understand. I hope you find what you're looking for.
Thank you, Emily. I hope you find happiness too.
Goodbye, Jack. Take care.
Goodbye, Emily. Take care.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!